Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 24th to February 7th. First, we're going to talk about the impending storm down here across the southeast. We're going to look at the various models. And we're looking at the GFS. We're going to go back here. And you can see we have some snow here and some frozen precipitation down into central Florida or northern Florida. And then we look at the... not that model. We'll look at the European, which shows like there's not much snow because here's a snow line down here. So this is basically rain. And then we look at the European ensembles. And we can't see these models because they haven't loaded yet. All right, so we'll look at snowfall totals now for this area. And we'll go back here, look at the snowfall total. We'll go here, GFS. All right. Look at these snowfall totals here, 8.6, 7.5. I can't be right, 13 inches, 9.1. These are heavy historic snowfalls down in these areas. And then we go further in, and then this is a 24-hour period, 7.5, 8.7. And you can see, like, it's pretty heavy amounts, even up into the Carolinas. And then we'll look at the other models here. You can see the amounts. This is a significant storm down here. Now, places that don't get snow or rain, they'll have ice. And that could cause treacherous driving conditions and possible power outages. All right? Another thing we're going to look at here now before we get the forecast is the fire condition. This is... extremely critical fire situation in this area here, okay, in Southern California. And here is the forecast, a little bit of an update. It says the previous forecast, see below, remains on track with only minor changes were made to extremely critical highlights in the Los Angeles County and Ventura counties. Based on the latest surface observations and high-resolution guidance, the offshore pressure gradient should be peaking over the next few hours. Latest LAX, and that's Los Angeles, I don't know this one offhand, gradient around 6.5 millibars. And this will be the period of strongest offshore winds. Offshore, meaning coming off the shore, not off the water, which they sometimes do, then it's better. And this will be the period of strongest winds offshore and the potential for a critical extremely critical conditions. Thereafter, critical conditions should persist into the evening when overall decrease in the pressure gradient and surface winds are expected. So we're still getting a lot of fires here down this area. Okay, now we're going to look at the period. We're going to go to the forecast now, and this is for January 24th to the 28th. And what you see here, we have a ridge here south of Alaska into western Canada, parts of the northwest, broad trough covering much of the nation. Now this trough will move east, pretty much in the same area, you know, bring cool weather, then again to moderate, all right? So this will lead to a flatter flow, and this will help moderate the temperatures of extremely cold temperatures across the south. Now, energy will reach the northwest. Back it up here Thursday. You can see this low right here. And this will split, sending northern energy through the northern states as other energy dives likely and forms a closed low over California. Now we'll look at the models here, and we'll go to our closed low. It tries to develop a closed low. You can see protruding here, and here it starts to develop across this area. And this will bring some much needed precipitation to parts of Southern California which have been experiencing wildfires. And then a front in the Mississippi Valley, we'll go back to the surface maps. The forecast remains saying this will bring some heavy rain and to the parts of the lower Mississippi Valley. Okay, you can see it down there, right here. All right, we're going to look at the period now for January 29th to February 2nd. And what we see now, here's what's taken shape. We have more of a flatter flow, like I said, in the west, ridging here across much of the country, but ridging, or trough, I'm sorry, from this upper low across Canada, continues across the northeast. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here with the closed low, below normal temperatures here with the anomalies near 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Above normal precipitation here, probability occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to look at the period for February 3rd to the 7th. Go to the map, 3rd to the 7th. And what you see here is above normal heights across much of the nation. And we have below normal heights across Canada and the northeast remaining. Now, most of the models show this. However, now the GFS, other models here are showing more of a flatter flow with above normal heights. See that? So, but this isn't true. What's going on? If we look, well, we can't do that. Maybe we can. Let me try. What's going on in Asia? Got to go to Asia. Hope this loads fast. And now, of course, they're not. Oh, there it goes. Well, so there is some kind of a change coming a little bit, but still remaining quite cool in the northeast. Trying to rush these. Okay, let's see. Now, see, we have this trough here pretty much remaining across Asia, but then as we get more to the end of the period, today would be helpful. So I have the trough. But the heights are more like mixed across Asia. You see above normal heights here, but still kind of a broad trough, weak trough here. So this could keep this kind of a configuration. Well, I want another one. This could keep a trough across the east. I saw one here that showed it. Okay, wherever, but it still might keep the trough in the east. So, but also the NAO and the AO index are forecast to be positive. That leaves some more rising heights in the east with teleconnection. So for this forecast period, I am calling for below normal temperatures here and here. Anomalies 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies close to maybe 4 degrees above normal here. All right, up to 8 degrees or 6 degrees above normal in this area. And for precipitation, still calling for below normal precipitation here. And here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 40%. Okay, that's it for now. That is the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 24th through February 7th, and have a good day.